Hi everyone, this is Dr. Corolla Okogbaa again, coming to you today. I am the CEO and founder of Louisiana Center for Eyes, where we help individuals achieve their best vision and maintain a healthy eyesight so that you continue to function and do the things you need to do. Okay, so today, the question of the day is I have an eyelid that keeps twitching on me. What should I do about it? And so all these are just questions from patients, and so that I think would be helpful for you all to get some eye health information from and some value from these questions that I get, and so I'm bringing them to you. Okay, and so when you have an eyelid twitch, it's called an eyelid spasm. Okay, so the eyelid is kind of spasming where you have this quick movement of the muscle of the eyelid. So there's three main eyelid spasm issues you can have with the eye. One is just your normal eyelid. I wouldn't say normal, I would say common eyelid twitch. We get one eyelid, one muscle. It's like a tick and it just start twitching on you. It can last a few minutes, a few hours, and so that's the most common type. And then we have something called blepharospasm, big word, meaning the whole eye muscles, the upper lid, lower lid starts to twitch on you. Okay, so sometimes it could be unilateral, meaning one side. Other times it could be both sides, and all the muscles of the eyelids can start twitching. The third type of eyelid spasm is called hemifacial spasm, and that's where not only are the eyelid muscles start to twitch and have these quick movements, and they're involuntary, meaning that you can't control them. Now you have the muscles of the face or the facial muscles start to get involved, and some people it's like a whole side start to twitch. And so these are some of the three main types. But today we're going to address the one we see the most commonly, which is just a simple eyelid twitch. Usually it's the upper eyelid, or it can be the lower eyelid too. Typically it's in one eye. Sometimes it could be in both eyes. Okay. So the question is, okay, what's causing that, doc? Well, typically it's the eye's ways of telling you that the eye is really extremely tired, overly tired, too much time on the computer, it's time to shut it down, type of idea. Okay, so the eyelid will start to give you this twitch, and other things that can cause it is if you're extremely stressed, and if you sometimes just too much caffeine intake can also cause, in combination with all these other things like stress and not sleeping and all of that, can cause the eyelid to twitch and start giving you some issues. Okay, so the next question would be, well, what can I do about it? Okay, so I'm going to give you 4 tips to kind of help you with an eyelid twitch. Okay, so the first one, like I said, it's typically telling you that you're tired, your eyes are tired, that you need rest. The eyes just need rest. You need a good night's sleep. Okay, so even pulling all-nighters, the eyes are telling you, I don't like this. So you just need restorative sleep, meaning just a good night's sleep, breaks from the computer reading, all of that. Okay. The next thing is to really reduce stress, because it could be a sign of just overly stressed, just stressed out. And so the eye is giving you that clue that, yeah, you're stressed out and now I'm paying for it, right? So the eye can start twitching because of stress. So finding ways to reduce your stress or eliminate stress will also reduce that. The third thing is to reduce your caffeine intake, like coffee, tea, sodas, all the things that have caffeine. Reduce that if you can't eliminate it completely, and that will also help with the eyelid twitch. And then the last thing is that an eyelid twitch can also be part of other symptoms related to dry eye syndrome. When the eyes are really, really dry, they're irritated, you have other symptoms like itching, burning. It could be part of that whole syndrome. So keeping the eyes lubricated, lubricating those eyes with artificial tears. I recommend preservative-free artificial tears. These things will help the eyes. And so keep them moisturized, reduce your caffeine, reduce stress, and getting a good night's sleep are some of the things that could really, really help the tired eyes that are now causing them to twitch and have eyelid spasms, okay? And so that's your eye health for today. So if you know anyone who's suffering from that, or if you've been having any of these symptoms and you need help, and if you happen to be in the Baton Rouge area, you have not had a recent eye exam, and we'd be happy to see you to help you regain your eye health, or just a normal routine eye exam to make sure everything is doing well and staying nice and healthy, okay? And so give us a call or come by to visit our office, or check us out at www.lacenterforeyes.com. All right, thank you and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.